Today I'm going to show you how to make an elastic paddle boat. The materials I need are rubber band, screwdriver, milk carton, pencil, safety pin, skewer sticks, bottle cap, and a drill. First, cut the milk carton into half, like a boat. We cutted the leftover pieces into these like this. Now we're going to use the glue gun and stick it. Next, we need to drill a hole through here and through here. So now I'm going to mark it. Right there for the rubber band, and these for the skewer sticks to fit in. Next, we're going to drill holes here. With a bit of help from my dad, I can push it through. Mark 2 evening sizes on the boat, about 20 millimeter at the back. After marking, I'm going to drill some holes through. We've drilled some holes in the middle so that the skewer can fit in, like that. Now we're going to have to cut grooves right here for the paddles to fit. We are now going to put the paddles in. Like this. We can test fitting the paddles on. The other side is too long, so we're going to cut it later. Next, we're going to use the hot glue gun to glue it together. Because this part is a bit dangerous, so my mom's gonna help me. So Mommy has helped me glue the boat together and also the paddle. So the last thing we need to do is to stick the pin on here and also glue the other paddle. So the last step is we have to wind the rubber band up. And then go. It works. So now let's test it on the water. We are going to test it on bath water. It works! When you wind the rubber band, it stores kinetic energy. When released, the kinetic energy drives the paddle and pushes the boat forward. This is the end. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!